You saw one of the Facebook ads actually supposedly said that John McCain was a founder of ISIS.
Oh my gosh.
For example. I mean, that's the sort of stuff they were putting up.
Right. So you think you got to get something going on with that. So, Burns, when you take a look at the tech sector, you have to kind of start incorporating that into your view of big tech, don't you?
You absolutely have to consider it. And you know, in many ways, what's going on with the regulatory environment for big tech is the exact opposite of what we face for financials right now. Under the current administration, financials really probably face regulatory tailwinds and likewise deregulation, versus on the tech side, you have an administration that came in that was always a little bit antagonistic toward the tech sector. You saw that late last year. I think one of the reasons the tech names have done very well this year has just simply been playing catch up from the fact that they lagged late last year. So it's something that has to be considered. That said, you know, from our perspective as value investors, you know, technology, you can't just lump it all together. You know, the FANG stocks are some of the ones that I think really might be those that are most subject to this. They're also some of the ones that are most overvalued. Whereas if you look at the sector as a whole, you still see really attractive valuations. You see it's one of the few sectors that trades at a discount to its 25-year average and really trades about in line with the S&P for a place where you have good dividend growth.
Burns, they're also radically different companies. Amazon, for instance, isn't even weighted as a tech stock on the S&P 500. It's retail. And if you look at the situation with, say, an Amazon versus a Facebook, the regulatory hurdles that they could face are going to be radically different. Who do you think is in the toughest spot at the moment out of those two companies?
Yeah, I would say that probably that Amazon is a little bit better positioned to deal with this, and I think it's just that they've been a shapeshifter. They've been able to really transition time after time after time to something new, and as a result, they've really demonstrated, the management there has demonstrated the ability to quickly adapt in today's world. Whereas, you know, with Facebook, I think the challenges are probably going to be ongoing.